All right, I gotta talk about something. A little bit silly, but has to be said. I am tired of my farts being prejudged. Okay, what I mean by that is I will fart and instantly get judged negatively, even if my farts don't stink. Okay, when you could have someone who sneezes, okay, snot coming everywhere, they just sneeze out like sickness all over the place. And what do people say to that? They say, bless you. Bless you to that, yet a fart that doesn't even stink, it's just literally, it's not sickness spraying everywhere, it gets judged. I think that we need to stop judging farts prematurely until we smell it, and then have a accurate judgment on that. Because, you know, the bless you for someone who sneezes all over the place, I don't know if